CYPE Connect is a tool for the modelling, analysis, and regulatory checking of connections in steel and timber structures using finite elements. In addition to the analyses and checks, CYPE Connect has a tool for generating sheets with the detailed drawings of the connections. For connections that require anchors, we have the option of using post-installed chemical anchors made by Rawlplug as concrete fasteners in base plates. To do this, we access the connection editor, and in the Model tab, we configure the operations needed to define the connection. Next, we insert the anchors that solve the connection between the plate and the concrete of the foundation. From this operation, we can configure all the aspects related to the anchors, such as their position, among others. In the Anchor category, we select the post-installed anchor and define its specific characteristics. After defining the type of anchor, we download the Rawlplug manufacturer catalogue. Once downloaded, we can choose the exact reference of the anchor we want to use. After defining the connection, we access the Analysis tab, where we carry out a detailed analysis of the connection. The von Mises stresses can be checked here, as well as the forces in the anchors in place. We can also verify regulatory compliance, such as the combination of pull-out failure and concrete cone failure for post-installed bonded anchors or concrete pry-out failure, among others. The checking of these elements is carried out according to the criteria of the EN 1992-4-2018 standard, based on the data provided in the European Technical Assessment, or ETA, of these anchors. We can also generate a summary that includes information such as the components of the connection, detailing, for example, the reference of the Rawlplug anchors used, as well as the forces in the anchors, or the checks. Finally, from the Sheets tab, we can create the graphic documents of the connection, where we can include views or drawing elements, such as automatic tags.